What go me G?
Yo, John, no man, hungry.
Why we no go check McDonald's?
Me no want a hamburger.
Then make we go check Rodney. When them hungry, watch everybody.
Welcome. What a go on, my viewers and subscribers. Welcome, guys, to Rodney's Lifestyle Real Talk TV. What is going on? What a go on? How no do? How no stay out there? I hope each and every one of you is in good health and good strength, guys. And as always, you don't know, if you are feeling any pain, check the doctor, call the doctor, go to the doctor, make the doctor come check you if you have the money. But if you don't have the money, don't worry yourself. We're going to bring somebody if you go carry you to the doctor. Guys, mental health crisis is on a rise, so we want everybody to check out them friends and family. And guys, remember, mental health crisis is not a joke, it is serious business. Domestic violence, guys, is on a rise. Walk away from trouble if you can, or if you cannot walk away, talk to somebody. And guys, remember the boy them in the corner, remember the boy them around the street, round the lane. Report them or make your community know that them in there. Now, my viewers, if today is your birthday, happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you. If tomorrow is your birthday, happy soon come birthday. And if yesterday was your birthday, happy belated birthday. Guys, things are come up to bump. Things are come up to bump. Guys, you know, hold on a little bit. Have you ever in your life saw, hear, know somebody or a set of people that is so dumb, that is so stupid, that is so fool, that don't understand life, who just get up and spin whatever they find, just think about people's business, just fast in a people's business like Jamaica? I never behold nobody that stay like them there. Nobody at all. And guess what happened? We go talk about it today. First, before we go into the video, let me take the time out for big up the one and only aka Alicia Kim. Big up yourself, big up your stomach. No watch no face. Just go and eat food, make your money, live your life you love, and love the life you live. Enjoy yourself. And if you feel like fly your mother in the United States of America 10 times a month, 20 times a month, and you have the money, fly her in, you and her have a nice time. Or if you feel like you want to go to Jamaica every month of the year, go along to Jamaica because a day you're born, your navel string cut down there. And guess what? You now beg them no money for fly go out. And immigration now take away your papers. Because you're straight like arrow in America country. What a sitting. Hey, guys, let me tell you this, you see? Me know say people bad mind. Me know say people have dirty ways. Me know, long time. But me never know say it gone to that level of dirty, hypocrisy, dirty mind, stinking mind. Oh Lord Jesus, have mercy. Me can't go no more. Me tap right this up. Because guess what happened? These people are some of the lowest class of people. Lowest class of people. You imagine this lady can't move, she can't do nothing. But hold on, we left that alone. Right this up. Left it right this up. Make we talk about Nari. Nari, big up your stomach. Nari, me see you. Nari, you give me joke. Nari, you make me laugh. Nari, me know me stay, Nari. You know me stay. Me no beat around bush. Me do not beat around bush. Me go straight like a arrow. And if me not say nothing, me just not say nothing. But listen to where me I go say. Because me don't know if them are people are dumb or well. I should not say I don't know. I know they are dumb, dumber, and dumbest and dummishers. Hold on a little bit. So, dear, let me have a little document book. Bless Brown. Me could talk about Bless. No, hold on. We talk about Bless Brown? No. Me could talk about what Nari said. Somebody say in the comment section that Drunkertown have it say Nari him left and gone. And listen to what Nari say. No make me say nothing. The person was asking about the rumor that them say Nari left AK and gone. Listen to where Nari himself say out time out. Listen, you ready? Listen.
Oh, on Mars, read above. On Mars. Oh, they don't see. So the assumptions that. What on Mars? What on Mars talk about? Not seeing each other anymore. We don't see each other to begin with.
So you hear what Nari say. It wasn't long because he didn't elaborate upon it very long. Because Nari no elaborate upon dirty, stupid things. Anyway, so Nari met that plain and straight. There wasn't anything in the first place. Nari said that. Okay. All right, we're done with that because we never continue that. We rest the case right there. So, all right. So we go move over to this lady we name Bless Brown, where I asked Nari a whole heap of question, long from Yaso to Chicago. I asked Nari a whole heap of question. But this lady asked Nari a question. Why didn't Nari take his son? Now, Bless Brown, I don't know who you be, I don't know who you is, but remember me tell you, say, you is one where you call name hyena. You are the stupidest person on the planet called Earth. Hold on. You forgot, you never remember the voice note when me play. You want me play it back? Me not go play it still. You never remember. You remember the voice note when me play of the man threatening Nari. Nari life was threatened. How you think that man knows Nari was there to pick up his son? How you think Nari know that? The threatener. Who you think tell that man that Nari was there? No Moschina? Hold on, and who could I tell that man that Nari is there to pick up the child? No Moschina ourselves tell him, and the man come ready, the man coming to take his 3 point or to beat him up or to do whatever. So you expect Nari if he go back down to Jamaica to do the same thing again. You think the man no wanting 3 points? Hold on, you think Nari no want to live for say tomorrow morning? You think Nari no want to live for say in daughter, where my co-parent? You think Nari don't want to see daughter? So you think Nari must take himself, go down to Jamaica, if he go cast the same issue again where somebody got threatening. This time they mean attack, this time they mean taking 3 points without me even know it. So you expect Nari if he go down there, go cast himself and put himself in that stupid kind of predicament again. Big word. Hey, big word. Hey. Hold on. You ain't. Let me tell you something. Bless Brown. If you don't have nothing to do, you see, come off of people live. If you don't have nothing to do, come off of the people them live at night time. Because all you do is give yourself problem and asking idiot, stupid kind of question. Lord Jesus have mercy. Help me, man. Help me. I need help. Anyway, we're going to talk about something else. Because, Bev Brown, you have nothing name sense. You have no brains at all. Not even a small amount of brains you don't have. Anyway, we can move on from Bless Brown. And we're going to the other section. Why? the people. Them make all kind of video. Say how Nari left and find new woman. But my question still is this. When did Nari tell anybody that him and AK was together? When did that? I didn't hear that. Hello, John Crows. Hello, John Crows. Can one of you play the video when Nari said that he is along with AK? Play the video, please. Play the video so I can hear that video, because I would love to hear that video, because I don't know if I have cataract in my ears or in my eyes, so I can't either see or hear when Nari said that. Because me never hear that. Me never hear that. And that little shit pantail one day when him vibes come tell him claim say me no watch people video, but me no watch for you video. Me no watch for you. Me no watch for the shit in a truck two-tongue boy. Me no watch for him. Me barely scrape cross Jackie one. Me barely go cross the one a fighting in mother for man. And me do not watch Two Color. But if you have that video, post it and I will watch. Put it way down the back. So I have to search for it. So we end up watch the whole video. Because I well want to find that. Or if you have the one that AK say out her mouth, she and Nari is in a relationship, please, I'm begging you to play it so me can hear it. Any one of you drunker town people, play it so me can hear it, because who know? Come out big bad and bold, say how the man and the woman is in a relationship and the man left gone. You know, my viewers and subscribers, I say, I do not understand. Why is it that these people is so invested in a Nari private life and in AK private life? These people is invested in a way Nari put in business and where AK taking a fear business. Me don't understand how can people so invested in a people private parts. Now, here you know. Nari sit down in a vehicle and something in the back of the vehicle look the thing over so, yeah, it look like you could have said is a baby seat, car baby seat. Nobody see if a car baby seat, you know. The thing over so look, it could have been a basket. You know them old-fashioned basket. It could have been a big black one. It could be. I don't know what it is because Nari never sure. How the hell me must go in a Nari car when me can't see in there? Because how far me there? And say, a baby seat. How the hell I must do that? However, Nari say, somebody asked Nari say, if him a co-parent. Oh, I think I just see him Bless Brown. Nari said, yes, I am co-parenting. Lord God, everybody take you and run gone with it. But I'm not a really idiot. No, hold on a little bit. Didn't Nari and Kita have a baby girl? Hello? Didn't Nari and Kita have a baby girl? Is Nari and Kita together? No. So what do you think Nari is doing? Co-parenting his and Kita daughter. Jesus have mercy. People, give me the case and take the pillar. Because these are some of the dumbest people I ever see in the whole universe of YouTube. The man is co-parenting because he had a child with Kita, uno queen, we of course give him something after the baby born. So that means they were having intercourse before the baby born and he never catch nothing. Hey, uno want to save Kita, but remember me tell her, uno continue. Uno hear Nari say, he have, boy Nari, hold on a little bit. Me wish me a yarded friend. Them say, you give me information, but little did they know. If me did I get information from you, me rotted. You know, you Nari say, him have information, not for days, for years. Boy Nari, me wish me a yarded friend. Where you can give me some of that information. As a matter of fact, now you know me no want to, because you know me know if you find them and get them. But the thing is, make we continue to talk about this co-parent part. Now, this lady said to Nari, yeah, you're a week for co-parent. Nari said, yes. Yes, he not tell no lie, he tell the truth. Now, my people, Nari start to talk to his little, the person that's in the vehicle. Because me don't know who, so I don't want to say who. And Nari, boy, you Nari, you know easy, boy, you bad, sir. Nari, you serious. Nari, go as far as take the hand off the newborn and put up the hand. Now, you tell me something, people. Do you all know a newborn baby? Eh? Do you all know a newborn baby? When you say AK and our baby, that is not 1 year old yet. Listen me good enough. Because no one have to really tell you how stupid, how idiotical, how dirty these people can be. Now, when you see AK with our little baby that is not 1 year yet, do AK baby hand look like for that little girl hand? The person, the little person that the hand come up. Do AK baby hand that big? Are you telling me that, are you saying to me that you all see that hand and immediately running off and saying it's AK baby hand? Are you guys that dumb? Are you guys really that dumb? Me can't really believe that you are that dumb. Don't it? Take a good look at a 1 year old baby hand and look at a 2 going into 3 year old baby hand and see if you don't see a total different hand. That hand that narrow up, that hand look like a 2 or a 2.5 going to 3 year old kid. And by the way, let me ask you something. Did you really see how narrow up the hand? Not the baby, but the hand? Can you hold a baby hand like that? Like, what's wrong with you all? What is really wrong with you all? The thing is, people, you are making it obvious now. You are making it so obvious now that it is really in I don't know which word to really use. Because there's no way a person should have to go through these kind of things. There's no way a person should have to go through these kind of things. No way at all. No way at all. A person should have to be going through these kind of things. It's like you guys want Nari and AK to prove something to you guys. When, to be honest with you, Nari himself don't who you all nothing. Nari go as far as say him take away himself from the whole mix-up thing, because he's not a YouTube person. And you are sitting down ringing that man name, calling that man name for what? For what? For why? At the end of the day, none of you, because of what? Money? You're getting money, you're getting likes, you're getting what? Nari himself said he's co-parenting. He did not say he's co-parenting. So if he was co-parenting 2 kids, you would have 1 in the back seat, 1 over there, don't it? But you have only 1. And we all know that that kid is that he had with Kita. So he's co-parenting that kid. But for what reason you all come up with it's Ali Shakib, AK, babe? I just never understand the logics on how you all brains work. The mindset of you all brains is in a swamp. It's in a ditch. It's in one of the deepest hole it can ever be. Because what? Uno mind dirty, messy, smelly. For no reason at all. For no reason at all. Think before uno act. Think before uno open uno mouth. Uno have bigger fish out there for fry and uno not even try to fry it. Uno friend, Kita, call uno out and say leave married people's business alone. And instead, uno sit down and think and look what she said. No, uno come out and uno beat her. Uno come out and uno beat her wicked. Then uno try fix the issue, but you can't fix because it's there already. It cannot fix because it is there already. But listen to me good. Listen to me good. We don't need to change in our ways. We don't need to change in our ways. From Sheena, Kita decided to change her ways because, as she said, she wants she and her kid she wants her kid to live and have a good relationship with her father. Viewers and subscribers, let me tell you something. These are guys, let me say this. Sometimes I tell you the truth, sometimes I want to say some things, but me have to hold them back. But Nari say him have information for years, not days. Why Nari, I wish I did have some of them information there. What you have for years. Me have couple, but me not have so much. Yeah, me have couple, but me not have so much. Me just not ready to unleash them yet. Because when me unleash them, all you are going to surprise, because you are going to ask where me get them from. Remember me tell you. But, guys, my viewers and subscribers, you know, say, me go left it right there, so, right there. Yeah, man, me go left it right there, so. So, I want to big up the Big Up crew. Rodney's massive. Talk Up massive. The Scoop massive. Juliet Massive, and don't know the Big Up Crew and AK Massive and Crew. Big up on yourself, enough respect, no watch no face, just go and do the do, go and enjoy on yourself, and just go and love the life you live, and live the life you love. And thank you very much for the support. Thank you very, very much for the support. I'm out.
What go on, me G?
Yo, John, no man, hungry.
Why we no go check McDonald's?
Me no want a hamburger.
Then make we go check Rodney. When them hungry, watch everybody.